All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chrysler 300. It is the 300C model. It's beautiful charcoal gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steerable controls. What's it got? Chrome rims. You got a panoramic sunroof. Got this beautiful tint on it. Fog lights, navigation system, front and rear heated seats. Super nice, and best of all, only 11,000 miles. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing on it. And your tire thread is at 530 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is at 630 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Pull out the key. It does have one key fob combo. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Actually, let me check if I have another spare key for this. All right, folks. Only one key for this vehicle. I thought I had a spare, but it's for a different Chrysler 300. Got a white one as well. All right, folks. Turn on the lights in here. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system. Boom. 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 You got your climate controls. You got your heated seats. You got your vented seats. You got your heated steering. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below it. Is dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Is dark as hell in here. There we go. Boom. Steering wheel controls. Steering wheel controls. You got that. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 11,211. All right. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Boom. And the trunk. Very nice. You got your a panoramic sunroof and what that looks like from the inside. Here's from the outside. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders. And rear heated seats, rear vents, and rear privacy glass. Coming around, your rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Does have a spare tire here with some tools, and then I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. And then you got your cargo netting right there. Coming around, quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim, your tire thread, 530 seconds. This door looks good. Here is your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips, and it is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread is at 630 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are on and working. Things are ready. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Chrysler 300, a 300C with 11,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.